How to unblock someone on Facebook. What is up, everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily unblock someone on Facebook. So you basically have to go ahead and open Facebook first, and you need to access your blocked list. You can do that by going over to the menu icon at the top right corner, and then go ahead and tap on gear icon right beside search. Once your settings and privacy is open, scroll down here until you find blocking. Tap on blocking and you'll see your entire block list. Now let's say if I want to unblock them, tap on unblock right beside the profile and then tap on unblock again. If you unblock them, they may be able to see your timeline or contact you depending on your settings, and the tags that you and them previously added to each other may be restored. Tap on unblock, do the same thing, and that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified about more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.